Alright, so I made my first knife. I saw a method on YouTube where you can take a file and grind it. As long as you keep it cool, you can build a knife without too many tools. I did a 400-degree oven treatment to get rid of some of the brittleness, and I had my niece's husband Alec come over and sharpen it for me. The classic paper test. You can see it's pretty sharp there. I've been able to shave some hair with it. So it's definitely, and now I have a hairless hand. It's definitely been a great little knife. I just finished it up. The file had a little bit of room left, so I'm working on its little brother with the rest of it. This one is going to be slightly smaller, of course. I need a new drill bit because I can't drill through the hardened steel with the ones I've got. And I've got the wood here is ready to put on. I'll just sandwich there with some epoxy and quite a bit of grinding, and have the brass rod. Anyway, it's been a fun project for my first knife build. I've been very pleased with how it turned out.